Today I'm sharing my grandma's Dum Gobi recipe with you guys. This recipe has a beautiful, unique taste. It is made without any onion or garlic, but it is so delicious. Everyone always asked her for the recipe. Here it goes. Cut cauliflower florets into medium-sized florets and cover it with hot water for 5 minutes so that if there is any dirt or worms in the cauliflower, they're going to settle down. The hot water also helps soften the cauliflower a little bit. After 5 minutes, take the florets out of the water and set it aside. Into a grinder jar, add in 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, make a powder and set that aside as well. This is a Dum Gobi recipe, guys, so take a heavy bottomed pot for this recipe and add 4 tablespoons of normal cooking oil. To that, add a 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 7 to 8 green cardamoms, 7 to 8 cloves and 2 to 3 bay leaves. All these whole spices makes the dish very aromatic, guys. Stir fry it for a few seconds and next add in 1/4 teaspoons of Hing or Asafoetida. Next we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, some salt to taste. Next goes in the cauliflower florets. Give them a stir. And next we are going to add in 2 large tomatoes that we have finely chopped. Next, a 2-inch piece of crushed ginger along with the fennel powder. Guys, all these spices along with the tomatoes are slowly going to cook with the cauliflower and you get this absolutely beautiful, unique taste. You've got to try this recipe. Place the lid on and give it a stir every 10 minutes or so to make sure the cauliflower is not burning. I forgot to add in half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, guys. You can add this in when you're adding in the tomatoes and ginger and fennel powder. After cooking with the lid on, guys, after some time you're going to notice that there's going to be some juice that comes out of the cauliflower and the tomatoes. If there is not too much water, you can add a little bit of hot water so that the cauliflower doesn't burn. Keep cooking the cauliflower over low heat till they become soft. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for yummy recipes. I also have a blog called noopursindiankitchen.com, so do check that out as well. The cauliflowers are soft now. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ghee and we are going to continue to stir fry and cook the cauliflower till the gravy becomes thicker and starts to look oily. Guys, give this a taste, add in salt, sugar as needed, and at the end, garnish with a lot of coriander leaves and your beautiful Dum Gobi is ready.